lightning flash glimmers in thy face, Mother? What lightning flash glimmers in thy face? Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. What lightning flash glimmers in thy face, Mother? What lightning flash glimmers in thy face? Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. What lightning flash glimmers in thy face, Mother? What lightning flash glimmers in thy face? Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. What lightning flash glimmers in thy face, Mother? What lightning flash glimmers in thy face? Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. 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 Welcome to Chanting is Half the Battle. We wish all our friends a very happy Navratri and a very happy Vijay Dashmi. This chant was composed by our great Guru Paramhansa Yogananda. Let's look at the notations now. B is the drone. What lightning flash glimmers in thy face, Mother? Again. What lightning flash glimmers in thy face? Seeing thee I am thrilled through and through. 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 That's it. Thanks for watching. Jai Guru, Jai Ma.